Okay, I got your email about how you won't be able to redo those other two things until later tonight. So, just got the one new thing for right now, and I'll check the new stuff when you're able to send that in, and we'll just keep plugging away. So, we are going to start working with single string, single note stuff, and basically just gonna see and hear how things go. So basically, listening for cleanliness, making sure that you don't have a bunch of strings ringing out. So like when you leave strings, you don't have that kind of noise happening as a result of the lower pitch strings not being muted. So we're gonna be working on muting here. Possibly, we've got to see how you do with this. But yeah, basically, you got to keep everything quiet. So all the non-played strings are always being muted. Very important with lots of distortion because it's very easy for things to ring out. And basically, when I'll send over. Actually, let me pull it up now so I don't forget. But basically, I got a video already teaching how to mute things well. Yep, there it is. So I'll be sending this over to you so you get good close-ups of like how to mute things well to make sure you don't have a bunch of unwanted string noise, because we don't want any string noise whatsoever other than the string we're playing. So that being said, 240 is once again the send things in early goal. So also be careful of this right here. We're just going to have that ring out for 2 beats. So we got that 2/4 time signature right there. So this way we're not letting that note ring out for too long. I feel that's a good enough amount right there. So here we go. An alternate picking, just like we have been doing with the chords. If it's a downbeat, we're going to pick down. If it's an upbeat, we're going to do an upstroke. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 So you don't need to count these now that we're doing the single note stuff and we're going to get a lot more complicated. We're doing a lot more complicated stuff. However, anytime we go over something that's got like a tricky rhythm, definitely a good idea just to make sure you understand the count, use what you've learned, say what the count is whenever you're not really sure what it's supposed to be right away. And so yeah, you can definitely count while you play this, but it's not as important now. But the chords definitely was, because you had to, got to learn how to do all that. But anyway, here we go. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, trying to get that damn pinch at the end. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So that's that for this one. Yeah, any questions come up, let me know. And I will see you again in your new videos.